each one.
Hello, we're gonna do some fireworks. We did it yesterday.
These will be some small ones. First we're gonna be light. I taped these together.
The Phantom.
Ready?
Yeah. It's filming. Tell me when to stop it, okay?
You stop it when it's completely done. These are gonna be short, small ones. But that's still cool. Okay, stop that one.
Golden flower. It looks kind of the same.
Yeah. Still looks cool.
Except it's more longer. Here's the spark plug.
Got it recording?
Yeah. It's July 5th.
This one's cool.
You guys remember this from 2011? Remember those fountains?
Yeah.
It scared me.
A little bit of crackle. Oh, that's pretty decent.
I could hear it echo.
There's
Okay, I'll
another one of
stop
the
it.
small ones.
Yeah, these are the smaller ones.
Just another golden
I thought it was raining.
I'm recording a video for YouTube.
This one's cheap. Cheap small one. Still nice though. This next one might whistle a little bit, I'm not sure. Okay.
Okay. How am I supposed to cover my ears?
You want to cover your ears?
I don't know how. I'm filming at the
Don't
same
record
time.
it then. Just put the camera down if you want to cover your ears.
Does it bother your ears?
Yeah, don't do it yet. I don't know how I'm gonna
Want
put.
me to do it while you cover your ears?
Yeah,
Okay.
Show her how to start it.
it's already filming, and you press that button to end it. So.
Okay, then.
Cover your ears.
Oh, it's a big one? Big bang?
It might whistle a little bit. It's just
Ah.
a normal
I
sound.
hate whistle fireworks.
It might not though, I'm not sure. Still might.
Next one.
San Diego.
No?
What's the next one?
Oh wow.
What's the next one, Claude?
I don't remember.
It's what? Why is it whipped?
Because I took the label.
Hey.
I took the label off.
I'm recording a video for YouTube.
No.
I'm not recording you. Yeah. This one don't whistle.
Oh. That's pretty loud.
They all have that
It made a weird noise.
Yeah, three
This
barges out
might
of
be the
bay,
same
and
thing. I don't
all
know.
the same company sends off these fireworks, and we all to the same radio station and they play music
Oh,
to
they
it.
like.
Last year, they all went off in like 5 seconds. The whole thing exploded.
Oh yeah, I saw
and-
that on YouTube.
Yeah.
That's
so this year
terrible.
they promised to do it again for
So what the
free.
box
I haven't
looks
heard
like.
If it worked out okay this time.
This one you might want to let her film again because this one might whistle. I don't know
Okay.
if it does or not.
Here, it's already filming.
Oh, okay.
Cover your ears again.
It's different. It looks different. It has 3 tubes instead of 1.
Pretty colors.
Oh, I smell it. I don't know if it's... Oh, it's getting fast.
Yeah, we were at the Country Fair convenience store, and the whole
Oh,
box
God,
was like
they're coming
$6
over
because they were up 50% off.
Oh, God,
Like,
it's coming over
Sure.
here. Happy 4th of July.
It looks like a reindeer.
5th of July. Yeah,
Yes, not 4th of July.
you can.
Or a new
take
house
Stop
looks like.
recording.